Another day, another ride. This is Road Ranger X back on the roads. आज का राइड थोड़ा स्पेशल है. Why? Because I remember the days when I was a kid and manifesting owning a bike like this and joining on rides on that seemed very cool to me those days. And it is cool, by the way. But I also remember a time when I first came across this post on Instagram where I saw men dressed up very well, in formals, in blazers and suits, and riding classic bikes, cruisers, scramblers, and very vintage bikes, and they call it the Distinguished Gentleman Ride. So yeah, I'm going to be part of that ride today, and I'm very happy about it because जो मैं पहले देख के I felt it to be very cool and very purposeful and yeah, very happening. Also, who doesn't love men in formals? So yeah, and from manifesting to reality, today I own a Triumph, and today we'll be joining the Distinguished Gentleman Ride. From Cuttack we'll move to Khordha. So our plan of action is we'll be meeting all the riders in Cuttack, Triumph Cuttack, and then we'll flag off at around 8 o'clock, and we'll see and meet some more riders on our way ahead, and we'll be moving towards to Pacific Cafe and Bakery. We'll have a drink there, and we'll share some thoughts, and we'll meet new people, make some friends, make some bonds, and as because we share the same passion, I know it's going to be lovely. So yeah, enjoy the ride and be with me for the exciting day today. There is a fact that in Odisha, the number of people that are aware of the legacy of this brand, the history of this brand, and the popularity of this brand is limited. Very few people are aware, very few people are actually educated about the brands, the history and the legacy of these brands like Triumph. So the number of bikes you can see is limited here. Thanks to Triumph that it launched this 400 series of bikes, which made people, mostly middle class people who once dreamt of having a Triumph bike but couldn't buy one because of the pricing, because of the high-end motorcycles it used to launch, they could afford these 400cc bikes now. So for that reason, nowadays we see good number of Triumph bikes in Odisha. Earlier we only used to witness the high-end bike, the Daytona or the Street Triple or the Bobbers. Very rarely we could see that, but nowadays, thanks to Triumph, that we see these beautiful bikes around us in our cities, in our state. When India we are stuck picking up only some few brands with whom we already have too much complaints. So people should divert a bit. So like us, we are trying to bring up these bikes in our cities and enjoy the ride, simultaneously make people aware of such beautiful bikes that are made.
द डिस्टिंग्विश्ड जेंटलमैन्स राइड जैसे इवेंट्स एक्चुअली दिखाते हैं कि बाइकिंग सिर्फ स्पीड और एग्जॉस्ट साउंड के बारे में नहीं होती. इट्स अबाउट कल्चर, ब्रदरहुड, पर्पस एंड कम्युनिटी. और ऑनेस्टली मुझे लगता है कि ट्रायम्फ मोटरसाइकिल्स को उड़ीसा जैसे स्टेट्स में और ज़्यादा एक्टिवली इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए थ्रू राइड्स, मीटअप्स, सेफ्टी वर्कशॉप्स, टूरिंग इवेंट्स और कम्युनिटी गैदरिंग्स, क्योंकि पोटेंशियली यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा है. अगर आप मुंबई या महाराष्ट्र साइड देखो, वहाँ बाइकिंग कल्चर एक डिफरेंट लेवल पर सेलिब्रेट होता है. अर्ली मॉर्निंग कैफे राइड्स, डिस्टिंग्विश्ड राइड्स, कोस्टल राइड्स, चैरिटी इवेंट्स, हेलमेट अवेयरनेस कैंपेन्स, पूरा इकोसिस्टम बिल्ड हो चुका है. राइडर्स वहाँ सिर्फ बाइक्स ओन नहीं करते, दे लिव द कल्चर. और एग्जैक्टली वही चीज़ उड़ीसा डिजर्व करता है. यहाँ रोड्स हैं, कोस्टल हाईवेज हैं, ब्यूटीफुल घाट्स हैं, नेचर है, पैशनेट यंग राइडर्स हैं, बट व्हाट्स मिसिंग इज कंसिस्टेंट कम्युनिटी.
The guy right in front of me, he is Prasanjit Bhai, currently managing the Triumph Cuttack showroom, and I'm very happy with the service they provide. I'm very happy with how they help the riders solve their problem, whether it is a major one or a simple minor issue. So that's a very good thing about this dealership, because whether you get Triumph, BMW, Kawasaki, whatever, if the service is not good, if the dealership doesn't respond well, it is a headache. It is a real headache to manage the bike.
Good morning everyone, this is Sunny Sunday. आज हमें हाईटेक स्क्वायर रहे छु एंड वी आर फ्लैगिंग ऑफ फॉर आवर डीजीआर राइड, द डिस्टिंग्विश्ड जेंटलमैन राइड. एंड आम सागर ट्रायम्फ कटक टूर समस्ते जॉइन कर सारी एंड आम पैसिफिक बेकरी खोर्धारे जाकि आम पिट स्टॉप नबू.
एक फ़नी चीज़ ये है कि हम राइडर्स लोग ना, वी आर सो कूल अबाउट लाइफ, वी आर सो चिल अबाउट लाइफ. देखो, इट्स अ राइड. हम ऐसे ही रैंडम लोग, रैंडम राइडर्स, वी केम टुगेदर, मेट एट वन पॉइंट, डिस्कस थिंग्स, exchanged words, naam, and a bit of conversation, and now we are together riding somewhere to just have a coffee or have some breakfast, or so that is how chill the rider's life is. It's all about the journey, that we love the road, we love to ride our bike.
अगर कंपनीज लाइक ट्रायम्फ रेगुलर इवेंट्स करें, इवन इन सिटीज लाइक भुवनेश्वर, कटक, संबलपुर, पुरी, बालेश्वर, एनीवेयर, तो स्लोली एक स्ट्रॉन्ग राइडिंग कम्युनिटी बिल्ड हो सकता है एंड न्यू राइडर्स मोटिवेटेड होंगे, रिस्पॉन्सिबल राइडिंग प्रमोट होगा, लोकल टूरिज्म भी ग्रो करेगा. बिकॉज बाइकिंग कल्चर तभी ग्रो करता है जब ब्रांड्स सिर्फ मोटरसाइकिल सेल नहीं करते, they create experiences. And honestly, events like the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride prove that motorcycles can bring people together for something much bigger than just riding. इसी टाइप का कल्चर उड़ीसा में भी ब्लूम कर सकता है, बस उसको थोड़ा पुश, सपोर्ट और विजिबिलिटी चाहिए.
And the whole point of this ride is to show that Triumph riders, how classy we are, and the gentlemanliness, the get-up for today is wearing formals. And the theme for this whole ride, this gentleman's ride, is to raise awareness for men's health, to raise funds for men's health. So at a global level, this ride is being conducted by Triumph, as I said earlier, and everywhere. What the purpose of this ride is that people raise funds. People raise funds for the men's health, prioritizing men, and it's a thing where there is a small bit of competition as well, with exciting prizes. Globally, people donating euros and dollars, and there are some first prize, second prize, third prize also. Like whoever raises the most fund, he is given a prize. Maybe the first prize is like, I guess, Scrambler XC or Bonneville, something like that. So it's a big bike that is gifted to you. And similarly, third prize is a Thruxton. So such pricing is also there. Such pricing is also there. And we crossed जयदेव बिहार. मेरा यार बहुत मन है कि कभी एक सुपर बाइक खरीदूं, बिग बाइक खरीदूं और ऐसे ही ट्रक के रैंप में लोड होकर जा रहा हूँ साइड में, फॉर इंस्टेंस कार में मैं जा रहा हूँ एंड बस देखता रहूँ कि मैन आई गॉट दिस बाइक. बस एक ट्रक के रैंप में लोडेड बाइक. एंड अल्टीमेट ड्रीम इज दैट टू get a Hilux, have the trunk modified, have the whole Hilux modified, and somehow get one scrambler or an ADV and one sports bike, tied up on the trunk. तो जहाँ पे भी जाओ, लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे जा रहे हो, if you are going to the Himalayas, you going with your Hilux, you see a trail, you just stop your Hilux, get the ADV down and just go on that trail, just jump around and then again ramp it up. You find a road, you find a clean track, you find a very smooth, well made road, clear road, just get the sports bike down and then boom. So this is something that I dream of, this is something I manifest hopefully someday, and that's why I'm keeping a track of my life. Huh? DN regular hoya pa?
Okay, so on our route to the Pacific Cafe and Bakery, there are some changes in the plans. हम अभी जा रहे हैं बरुणई हिल क्योंकि we got to know that there is a good spot where we can park our bikes and just click some pictures, click some videos, and then after that we'll move forward to the cafe. We'll have some talk, we'll discuss things, and then we'll move forward to end our ride. अभी हमारा राइड ऑलमोस्ट एंड हो चुका है. वी हैड सम गुड टॉक, वी मेट सम फ्रेंड्स, वी मेट सम न्यू पीपल, शेयर्ड many words, and now I am moving back to my hometown. बहुत ही सुंदर राइड था. होपफुली ट्रायम्फ इंडिया विल लुक इनटू दिस मैटर. कभी कभी ऐसे स्टेट्स लाइक उड़ीसा में भी इन्वेस्ट कर ले तो यहाँ का कल्चर भी बहुत आगे बढ़ सकता है. वी कैन सी मोर राइडर्स, मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबल राइडर्स एंड मोर सच राइड्स हैपनिंग, सच अवेयरनेस, सच वर्कशॉप्स हैपनिंग. अभी के लिए वी आर एंडिंग आवर राइड हियर and see you guys. Do subscribe and follow my Instagram channel Road Ranger X to get all the updates, all the adventures, all the rides that I do, and stay in touch.